This is Part 1, Learn from the Experts. Men or women, are you staring at a midlife crisis? Are you looking for a career change? Are you looking for success? Are you looking to find secrets that could change your life forever? First, let me say, I've been there, I've done that. Hi, I'm Tom Snow, and in this series of videos, I'm going to discuss my own struggles and successes, and some great secrets on how you can change your life. I worked for other companies before going out on my own 30 years ago. I've struggled building my own businesses over the years. It's been okay. It's had its ups and downs. It's paid the bills. But it never got me where I really wanted to be, independently wealthy. I don't have to be rich, just independent of the daily rat race. In the last number of years, I've been looking for a career change. Nothing major, nothing that different. I just wanted to find real success. Something that everyone else says they get to do online. Something I could be proud of. And something that could get me to my goal of independence. Over the years, I found that no matter whether it was something I'd created or I was looking to promote someone else's products, the biggest problem was marketing. One of the greatest answers I've found for this is making YouTube videos. Now I know everyone and his sister are creating videos nowadays. So how do you win? How do you do it without going broke? How do you create success? In this series, I'm going to show you how to create tons of free YouTube videos for little to no cost. Ones where you don't need to show your face or even speak if you don't want to. Then I'm going to share a number of other extremely important secrets to success. So stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. Be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so that you'll stay alerted to each new video as they're released in this series. Until tomorrow, to your success.